Okay, so now here's what I want you to do. So remember what I said about everything being underneath our judgments. Everyone is to do this. Clients, you are to do this. This call is always for you first and foremost, okay? So please have pen and paper ready. Yeah, Amy, we're ready for you. Okay, so now I just want you to take a moment. So you've got your pen and paper and just close your eyes and just hear my words. One of the things that I said was that what you desire is underneath your judgments. So what you desire is underneath your judgments. Many times we have judgments about things that it was just because it was what we were told, judgments that we hold. And one way is we're creating, because this is what we're going to do. We are going to create a self-image. It's through this exercise that we're going to do. So the first thing I want you to do is close your eyes if you're able to, if you're not driving or in a place that needs your attention. Just to connect to yourself. And now I want you to open your eyes and just write on the piece of paper 50 things, 50, that I want that money can buy. And from a relaxed place, I want you to think about all the things that you want that money can buy. Now, don't be surprised if judgments come up for you, like, that's not important. You shouldn't need that. You have enough of that. Just, as I said, just for the purpose of this exercise, just for now, allow yourself the freedom. I'm not telling you to go out and buy anything, but just allow yourself the space to think, if anything is possible, what do I really want? Like, what would be fun? Kate says lifetime subscription for these calls. I love that. Kate, write that down. Write down being a client for life. Perhaps it's things like having a personal chef. Maybe that's something you would like. Maybe there's an outfit or something that you've been eyeing, a certain type of coat if you live in a cold country that you would love to have. But it would just like, it's like, oh no, I mean, I don't wear that brand. Put it down. Melanie, a Verity membership. Verity is a business club that some of us belong to. Is that Melanie H? Put that down, Melanie. That is one. A bikini. Love it, Glenna. Put that down. I remember on the first time I did this, was taking my family on a first class flight to Australia. That was one of the things that I had put down. Maybe there's travel for you. I didn't remember this, but when I had done this as well, Adriana reminded me, because this summer I took my niece on a trip. And she said, I remember when you said that was on your list. I'd forgotten about it, but that was on my list earlier this year. And then I took her on a trip and it happened. So just do that. I'm going to be, it's 7 o'clock now. Um, but if you, Jen D, you haven't heard a thing. Oh, maybe can, okay, well, we will give you the recording, Jen D, but I don't even know if you can hear me. But maybe one of our success advisors can send her a note. So write those out. And when you feel any judgment come up for you, just breathe and keep writing. That's all I want you to do today. And then what I want you to do is take a picture of it and post it. And clients, I'm asking you to do this too, because you have another level to get to as well. I want you to post it in the success circle. And I'll show you where. I'll make a note of where to post it. Post the picture. Now, something else for those of you that are not clients, I want you to reach out to a success advisor. A success advisor is Alicia, Ann, or Leanne. If you're feeling judgments come up for you around this work, you can send them a Facebook message, audio. They want to get on a call with you to help you with this exercise. They've had to do it, and I would use the supports that we have for you in this so you can get the most out of this week, out of these next few days. So the recording will also be up in the success circle. Yeah, Alicia updates hers all the time. This exercise is life-changing. So again, 50 things that money can buy. And tomorrow we're going to build on this. All right. I want to thank you for taking this hour to spend here with me. I look forward to being of service tomorrow and serving you powerfully tomorrow as well. We will see you then. And have a beautiful, beautiful rest of your day. And again, if anything comes up for you, remember to act on it. Okay. Love you. See you tomorrow and see you in the success circle.